A SERG cable is indeed suitable for direct burial applications or installation within an underground raceway. When determining the appropriate ampacity for a SERG cable, you should refer to National Electrical Code, NEC, Table 310.15b16. This table provides ampacity values specifically applicable to cables installed in underground raceways or those directly buried. It's important to understand that the ampacity values listed in Table 310.15b16 are based on a conductor temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Several factors can influence the actual ampacity of a SERG cable when used in direct burial or underground raceway applications. It is crucial to consider these factors as they may necessitate adjustments to the ampacity values obtained from the table. Firstly, soil temperature plays a significant role. Higher soil temperatures reduce the cable's ability to dissipate heat, consequently lowering its ampacity. Secondly, soil thermal resistivity is another key consideration. Soil that resists heat flow will limit the cable's cooling capacity, thus requiring a reduction in ampacity. Thirdly, the depth at which the cable is buried also impacts ampacity. Shallow burial depths may result in higher ampacity ratings due to better heat dissipation, while deeper burial depths may require dirting. And finally, the spacing between cables is also important. Closely spaced cables can mutually heat each other, reducing the overall ampacity of each cable. In any installation, it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the most appropriate and safe ampacity for the specific conditions and requirements of the project. Electrical codes and standards are in place for safety, and a professional can accurately assess the situation and ensure compliance.